Hi everyone! Welcome back to Smart ESL Path, your place to learn English the smart and easy way.
Yesterday in my zookeeper life. Today, you'll listen to a story about yesterday in the life of a zookeeper. The whole story is told in the past tense, so listen carefully and see how many past tense verbs you can catch. At the end, try to answer the comprehension questions.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to support our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Ready? Let's begin. Hi, my name is David, and yesterday was a busy but wonderful day of mine at the city zoo. I've loved animals since I was a little boy, and yesterday reminded me exactly why I chose this job. My day started very early. I woke up around 5 a.m., took a quick shower, and ate a simple breakfast, just toast and coffee. Then I rode my motorbike to the zoo and arrived shortly before 6 o'clock. The zoo was still quiet at that time, and the air felt cool and fresh. It was one of my favorite moments of the day. The first thing I did was check on the elephants. They're my responsibility, and I call them my big babies. Yesterday, they recognized me immediately and walked over for food. I fed them fruits, cleaned their area, and talked to them while they ate. I even played some soft music. And just like always, they became calmer when the music played. After finishing with the elephants, I went to the monkey area. It was noisy as usual. The monkeys jumped, climbed, and stole food from each other. I had to be very careful because they tried to grab my keys more than once. Feeding them felt like watching a mini circus show. Around 10 a.m., visitors started coming in. I guided 2 school groups and a few families. The children asked funny questions again. One child asked, "Did the giraffes have neck pain yesterday?" Another asked, "Did the lions brush their teeth?" Their curiosity always made me smile. At noon, I took a short lunch break. Yesterday, I sat near the flamingo pond with 2 coworkers. The sound of water helped us relax before we returned to work. In the afternoon, I checked the animals' health. One lion looked a bit tired, so I wrote a note for the vet. Then I cleaned the cages again and prepared food for today: fruits, vegetables, and meat. I finished work at about 4:30 p.m. When I got home, I took a long shower. I definitely smelled like animals. Later, I ate dinner, played guitar for a bit, and watched a wildlife documentary. Even though my job was hard and sometimes messy, yesterday reminded me how meaningful it truly is. I felt grateful to spend the day with animals and learn something new from them, just like always. Past tense verbs: woke up, ate, rode, arrived, walked, fed, cleaned, talked, played, became, went, jumped, climbed, stole, tried, started, asked, made, took, checked, wrote, cleaned, prepared, finished, got, took, smelled, ate, played, watched. Comprehension questions. What time did David wake up and arrive at the zoo yesterday? Which animals did he take care of first? How did the elephants react when he played music? Answers. What time did David wake up and arrive at the zoo yesterday? He woke up at 5 a.m. and arrived before 6 o'clock. Which animals did he take care of first? He took care of the elephants first. How did the elephants react when he played music? They became calmer when the music played.
Next questions.
Why did he have to be careful with the monkeys? What funny questions did the children ask? Where did he eat lunch yesterday? Answers. Why did he have to be careful with the monkeys? Because the monkeys tried to grab his shiny things, like keys. What funny questions did the children ask? They asked questions like, did giraffes have neck pain yesterday? And did lions brush their teeth? Where did he eat lunch yesterday? He ate lunch near the flamingo pond with coworkers.
Next questions.
What did he do in the afternoon before going home? How did he feel about his day as a zookeeper? Answers. What did he do in the afternoon before going home? He checked the animals' health, wrote notes for the vet, cleaned cages, and prepared food. How did he feel about his day as a zookeeper? He felt grateful, happy, and proud of his work. Great job, everyone! You've just listened to a full story in the past tense and answered comprehension questions about a real zookeeper's day. Stories like this help you build stronger listening skills, learn natural expressions, and understand how English is used in real life. Now it's your turn. Tell me one thing you did yesterday, using the past tense. I'll check your sentences and help you improve.
Like, share, and subscribe for more daily English practice.